Hi guys, so I'm back at the clubhouse with two friends. I don't so Toasted Lemon Yeet. This guy he's from my school. He's quite new to Bloxburg and stuff. So I thought I'd give him a bit of money. I thought I'd donate a bit, but not just a tiny bit. I'm gonna give him 10k and see what his reaction is. So, yeah, I'm going to be kind of broke after doing this, although I'm on 27k anyways. I'm going to try and do this. So, hey, Dion. Oh. You want money? Let's see what he says. He said, yeah. Here. Okay, here I go. 10,000. Continue. Oh my god, I don't know who I want to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna go straight into this. Do it. There, I've done it. There. I want to see his reaction. Oh my gosh, she's... Is that enough? She's like, can I have money too? Okay. I'm gonna give her the same amount. I'm gonna be so broke after this. This is gonna take me so long to get the money back. Oh my goodness, 10,000. Continue. I need, oh man. I need to wait a bit. Okay. He's like, I need to give it to the guys. Oh. Anyway, I'll give money later. So, I need to quickly get home so I can invite him back. Oh shoot. Why didn't I got that before? In the clubhouse. I added the phone, so I'm gonna go. Oh, you're kidding me. He's right there. Really? Oh wow. Hello? Can I have a this is okay, I guess. It could use a bit more decoration. Maybe I'll ask if I can help. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Well, guys, I have a bit of a problem. The girl we were gonna get the money to left, and now, okay, this guy wants to have a look at the clubhouse. Gave him roommate. What's wrong with Dian? Hello? Hello? I don't know. Move it. his reaction when I gave him the money was hilarious. He's like, whoa, wow, this went kind of cool. Wait, let me see. Can I donate yet? I'm just gonna put like 1 on it and see if I can donate. Think I can donate. Probably not though. Like, I don't know how much it costs. 58k. Who changed the flag again? Really? This is annoying. People keep changing it. I don't know what to do now. I think if Dean, I think he's back. No. Is he like AFK or something? Hello? Are you AFK? He's not going to answer if he's AFK, but I want to help build his house, but I can't. This guy's nice. No, because like, I don't know. I kind of want to like wait until another. Well, I'm just gonna wait a bit until he's back, and then I'll tell him I'm recording on YouTube and see what he does. So yeah, Deanne's back. So sit down. What would you do if I told you I was for YouTube? I gave you the money to see what your reaction would be on our video. He just walked off. He walked off. He's gone to his house. Is he? Or where is he? I don't know. Where's he gone? Deanne! You? Yeah, he's just confused. Say hi, see YouTube. I know not many people watch this, but it's still fun to do this stuff. Like, I don't know, I like recording it, like, even if no one watches it. Okay, this guy has some problems. I say hi to YouTube, and he goes, cows! What is wrong with him? Okay. Let me just wait this in, okay? I'm just like, yo, can I see the house? I saw the house in the. Oh my gosh, guys! One of my other friends joined. Wait, my friend joined. Okay, I'm gonna invite her because I want to see what her reaction is as well. Let me go up to my phone. Oh, my friend's upset because her phone don't work. So I'm gonna try and get her up. Hello? What is it? It says I'm not role playing. This is let me invite Liv. I don't think she's actually been in a video. She's only let me invite her. Liv, come to my house. I know how to cheer you up. Come on. Get to the phone. Why is it taking so long? Okay. So she's here. She has chat lag. So if she jumps, it means she can't chat. Well, your is so I know how to cheer you up. Okay, let's do it. Like this. I did it. Look, money's gone down. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Better get to work because I lost a lot. Bye.